Yeah, gorgeous this morning. You're right, extremely mild, but we have some near record highs in store both today and tomorrow. The record high today is 89. We're calling for a high of 90, so it looks like we could break that record. You will, speaking of smoke, see some areas of smoke here along the Front Range. I'll show you where it's going to be highly concentrated in just a minute. But we're tracking a cold front this weekend, so the heat that we're going to see both today and tomorrow, it'll tame down a bit as we get into the weekend. Quite a bit cooler come Saturday and then on Sunday for the Broncos game. When you look at the wildfire smoke to the north of us, there in green and yellow, we do see some thicker smoke up near Fort Collins, parts of Larimer County, and then stretching up north into Wyoming. So you are going to find some hazy skies in spots today. Right now, 60 in Denver. Winds are southwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. It's a really pretty start to our day. And very mild. Boulder right now 66, Highlands Ranch at near 60, and we're at 57 in Aurora. Pretty chilly in the mountains, dropping down to near freezing in Granby this morning. We do have some fire weather warnings going into effect here. So over the next couple of days, fire danger is going to be high, especially tomorrow as the winds pick up ahead of our cold front that's going to hit this weekend. And I'll show you that here in just a minute on Futurecast. 50s and 60s this morning. We're going to get to, well, it looks like by early morning and midday, temperatures right around 80 degrees, and then we'll get to near 90 between about 4 and 5 o'clock. Longmont, 90. Evergreen, you're close to 80, and then more 70s, upper 70s for the mountains this afternoon. Tomorrow morning, pretty mild. Early Friday, we're going to be in the 60s with a mostly sunny sky, and then hot again tomorrow. And you'll notice those wind vectors up and through the mountains really starting to pick up out of the southwest, and that's very typical right ahead of a cold front to get some pretty strong southwesterly winds. That front will bring our temperatures down this weekend. It's going to be a little more mild by Saturday, back down into the low 80s, but pretty hot and dry for the next 2 days. Sunday for the Broncos game, we'll be breaking down that forecast coming up in just a bit, but it is going to be a cooler day. That front settling in, so mid to upper 70s under a mostly sunny sky. A beautiful fall day, and then into next week, there's going to be a better chance for some showers and some cooler weather by the middle of next week. Jason, by Wednesday, we're looking at a high of just 65.